In this video, you are going to learn how to do the fashion and portrait retouching in Adobe Photoshop. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this special video, we are going to learn fashion and portrait or beauty retouching in Adobe Photoshop. So let's take a look what we are going to learn in this video.
Fashion beauty retouching in Photoshop, and we'll take this image and we'll turn this image into something like this.
Before we go any further, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the bell icon. That way you will not miss any new video from me. So having said that, let's get started.
So now let's paint on the eyes. Let's work on the eyes because over here there are certain problem in the eyes. So let's fix that, and for that purpose we'll create a new blank layer, and before that we'll merge all these layers. So we'll select both of these layers, press Ctrl E Command E to merge them together and create a new blank layer. And let's zoom in. I'm doing destructive editing, but I think you should not just merge all of these layers, because if you want to go back for any reason, then you can easily go back. And then we'll choose the brush tool, again soft edge brush with 10% opacity, and we'll pick the color from here, from the eye itself. Let's pick the white color. This is not white, so let me just pick some lighter color myself, maybe something like this, some off-white, and press OK, and I will paint over here. And on this side as well. And paint little bit on this area, pupils area, so that also become little lighter and we get some more highlight in the eyes. So if you press Ctrl 1 and turn this off and on, you can see now our eyes are very sparkling and eye-catching. Now save it and let's merge both of these two layers as well. And now let's work on the lips. So for that purpose, we'll come over here on the bottom and select the solid color, and from the solid color we'll choose something like red color. Let's pick something little bit bloody red, something like this, and okay, we can change it later on as well. And we'll change this layer blend mode to overlay and select the mask and press Ctrl I Command I to invert it. And now we'll zoom on the lips, and again with the soft edge brush, and let's say 10% opacity, or let's say 20% opacity and 100% flow, we'll paint on the lips, so those would become more red. And if you want more result, just paint number of times. Alright, so now we have got this color on the lips. So if you want to change it, you can easily change the color of the lips. So let me just press Ctrl 1 and let's bring it over here, and we can click on this color. If you just double click it, it's going to open up the color picker, and then we can choose any color. So let's say if you want green, or you can just pick any color very easily. So I'll go for something like this, dark brown, and I will press OK. Alright, so you can see by turning this on and off, we have fixed the lips as well.